Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Forex market and sort of the basics of it and how to get involved in starting to trade foreign currencies. So the first thing I would like to suggest is that you open up a practice account. Now it doesn't matter where you open this up. I suggest investopedia.com because you can sign up and they have a embedded Forex platform so you don't have to download anything, and it's 100% free and it's pretty accurate to what the other expensive programs and platforms would offer. So it's a really good, tool to get you used to what Forex is, and you can play around, not lose any real money, and sort of get the feel of things. So once you get on here, you obviously see all the currency pairs on the left side, and you see a graph of whatever currency you pick. So in Forex, you have what's called a bid and an ask price. So this is the price that you can buy the euro against the dollar, and this is the price that you can sell your euro against the dollar. And so depending on what you are speculating that the market is going to do, depends on which trade you want to make. So let's open up a better chart here that's from dailyforex.com. You can get this for free as well. So let's look at euro to the US dollar. That's the most commonly traded pair. So here's a pretty simple trend that's going on. It's clearly going up and down, up and down, up and down. So when it's going up, the euro is appreciating against the dollar, and then when it's coming down, the euro is depreciating against the dollar. So here it looks like it just made a pretty strong trend up, and then it should be breaking at this